Yes, Massive Room crew, back once again with another video, and today I'm going to be answering a quick question someone posted in and asked, can you use your AMIGA to sequence hardware samplers? And as you can see, I've got my hardware samplers behind me here, and I'm going to give you a little brief insight in how to do that. It's quite straightforward, to be fair. You just need a specific cable that works with your AMIGA. I'm going to move all my... I've got a new setup here, look. I'm going to move all this out of the way. Okay, so on the back of your AMIGA, you've got like a MIDI kind of parallel port thing. This comes out of here, yeah, and that breaks out into kind of like a MIDI out cable. You get this, you can pick these up on eBay. I'll find one, put a link in the description for you. And basically, you just literally have to wire that. It's got two ports. It's got an out and an in port. And you basically get a MIDI cable. For those of you who don't know what a MIDI cable is, it's basically a simple piece of kit which looks like this. Now, this is what you call a MIDI cable. It's got like 5 little pins inside, and it's got one of those at either end. You get these in all different lengths, I think up to 10-15 meters. I think there's no limit to how long you can have a MIDI cable. So what you do is, from the output of your AMIGA, you plug this into where it says MIDI out on the breakout cable that you've got for that, yeah? Then you plug into the MIDI import of your first sampler, because if you've got multiple samplers, or your first sampler or your only sampler, plug into the import on the back of your sampler, and then you'll find an out port, which you don't use, and a through port. Next, you plug into the through port into that sampler with another lead. This is a separate lead, by the way. So through that, and then back in again. Then through, in. Then through, then in. And then through if you add another one to the top. So if you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all you have to do is assign these to MIDI channels. On your sampler, you've got different settings. All of these samplers usually as default to Omni, which means receive all channels, yeah? So you'd have to turn Omni off, so you can just assign what channels. For example, your breaks on 1, your bass lines on 2, your vocals and so on is on 3, 4, up to 16. So you can have 16 different things running at any one time. And if you want more than 16, you'd need some sort of multiple MIDI port, but I won't go into that because that's complicated. So, you know, guys, if you want to see more videos on actually how to go about doing that in more depth, you know, setting up MIDI channels on your Akai, etc., please feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. I used to use these on a regular basis, wired up lots of studios in my time, so I am knowledgeable in this and credible. So please, if you want to see more, please smash the like button, share it with somebody who likes, feel free to share it on Facebook, wherever you want, and comment down below. Look forward to your comments. Always read them. Take care, God bless, peace. I'm a everyday jobless.